Heated exchange. Health Ministry team faces furious residents over Cholera cemetery development. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, unsolved mysteries. Still no word why 8 JDF trainees fell ill.
Attack. Machete-wielding mentally ill man targets several people.
Where's the crime plan? The opposition scolds the government.
Backlog. University hospital extends surgery hours.
In the business day, below expectation, the central bank on currency demand.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in the Primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
How have you been coping with the increased traffic on the roads this holiday season? Share your experience.
You can share them online, facebook.com.
The murder tally for the year to date.
And tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.